Hi guys, Boxball here, and today we're going to be making a Raspberry Pi Minecraft server. You would have thought it'd be quite hard, but actually it's not that bad. So first we're going to do sudo apt-get update. So that's what that's going to do, is just upgrade your Pi basically. It's going to get all the updates. Okay, when that is done, we're going to do pretty much the same thing but upgrade. So that's going to unzip all the files and install it properly. Press Y, enter, and it will just continue. Okay, when that's finally done, we're going to type sudo raspi-config. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go to advanced options, then memory split, and we're going to change that to 16 just to let up some more space for the server. Okay, now what we're going to do is make sure the boot is B1. For me that's fine, I've already done that. Oh, that's okay. And now what we need to do is go to overclock and put it onto high. Okay, now if you haven't, which I already have, is turn on SSH. So enable. So SSH is enabled. That means you can use putty, so you can access your Pi from another computer. Okay, now what we're gonna do is press finish and reboot. Obviously for me I've lost connection because it's rebooted. So I'm gonna reload putty up. Okay, now we're gonna log in again. Okay, now we're gonna do sudo space host name space underscore capital I. So that's gonna give you. Oh, okay, yeah. I'm very, very bad at spelling. Okay, so that's your IP for your Raspberry Pi server. Okay, now we're gonna do something a little more hefty with scripts. So I'm gonna put all the download links in the description so you can copy them into your code. Okay, I advise not to copy this by sight, but just get it from the description. Okay, so while that does that, we're gonna get the next link. That should be quite a quick process. It's only a small file. Okay, once that's done that, we put the next link in, and it should just do its job. So that's going to unzip the Java file. Okay, now we're going to do another piece of script, and so we're going to go sudo space /opt /jdk 1.8.0 underscore 60 /bin /java space score version. Yeah, that means it's now running Java and running time environment. Okay, once you've done that, I'm just going to clear that out of the way. And another piece I'm going to put in, so now we're in /home/Minecraft. Press enter and it'll quickly do that. Okay, what we're going to do is enter in the following command. And press enter. And it will load up that. Okay, so you might as well make yourself a cup of tea because this is going to take from 15 even 30 minutes. Okay, when that's finally done, and it took me around 7 minutes for that, so I'm quite happy with that. Hopefully it should say success, everything compiled successfully. Okay, now what we're going to do is type in ls, and that should show up, and we need to keep /home/Minecraft open, otherwise something might go wrong. So let's clear that onto the way. Okay, just to make sure the spigot is fully working, we type in ls, enter, so that means it's working. Okay, now we're gonna put in the following command, and it's basically saying how much RAM we're going to put in, basically this spigot. Okay, let me press enter. Okay, it says it's not working, so I'm gonna try something else. Okay, what I've done, because it's my Pi is the B+, I needed to type in sudo reget and then this link for the 1.8.8 Java. Okay, now that it's done that, I should be able to make it work. Okay, now we're going to try it again by typing in this one again. Unable to access jar file. Yeah, that's a shame because I don't actually know what's going on now. Okay, I'm going to try a lower amount of memory and see if it works. Yeah? Okay, I'm going to try another way to do it and see if it cracks it. So I'm resolving the media file that I've downloaded. And this should help to make it work. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to type in ls again. Yep, I think it's starting to work now. It looks a little different. So let's go ahead and type in what we did before. Okay, so let's see if it will work. Enter. Still, I don't have any access, so I'm gonna have to do quite a few things again. Okay, after a long time of coding and doing all this stuff, I've managed to get it to work. I basically put down everything, like just spammed it with basically I had to find it couldn't find the location of the Java, so I literally spammed it with sudo reget the media file, the download of the Java, and it says stopping server, and that's because you need to agree to the eula thing. So that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, so what we need to do is type in sudo nano space eula.txt. Okay, that will open up, and now we need to change the false to true. That's basically agreeing to the license. And then we press Ctrl X, Y, and then enter. And that should be done so far. Okay, so we got the server working. Now we need to reboot it. It will take at most 5 minutes because it needs to load and create and render the world. So what we're going to do is type in sudo reboot. Okay, obviously it says server expectedly closed, network connection. That's because I rebooted it. So we're gonna open putty up again. Okay, now that I've done that, we need to log in. Okay, now we're gonna write this. So cd/home/minecraft/plugins. Okay, Okay, there's no such directory. So we got to create it. Okay, so I've made a plugins file, but I don't know if this is going to work, because it might not have all the things I needed inside. So I'm going to go ahead and put the media files in, and the spawn chunks in. And I don't know if this is going to work, so might be lucky if it does. Okay, I'm going to try this, so let's clear that out. As I thought, it's got nothing in, so I'm gonna have to type it all up or copy it off the internet. Okay, so I've put that in. Now I'm gonna change view distance to 5. Oh, unfortunately, I know it's sad. And then I need to make it so you can only have up to 5 players. Otherwise, I reckon this is gonna crash. So. Where is it? Okay, now that I've done that, we are gonna go and get our IP. I did do it earlier, but I've forgotten it. So, sudo space host name space I. Oh. So I'm gonna copy that. Now I'm going to go back into properties. So sudo nano slash Minecraft. Okay, so I'm going to go in there and then all the way down to the right here. That. And Control X. Enter. So, I've done that. Okay, now what we're going to do is to make it so it boots up on start. I'm going to do sudo nano home slash Minecraft start sh. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to put in these lines. Yeah, so we put in what's gone on. Like that. There. Then Control X. Save. Enter. Okay, so to make it start, we're going to add this to it. That should work. And now we're going to go down here. Okay, so we're going to type in this. And Control X, Y, Enter. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and reboot it again. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and log in again. And then we need to enter this. Okay, so that should be good. And if you want to kill it for any reason, just type in sudo kill and then whatever the ID is that you want to kill inside that. But I don't want to do that, so yep, your server is up and running. It'll only be in your local connection unless you want to port forward. There's plenty of videos in port forwarding on YouTube, so just go ahead and watch one of those. If you really want, I can do one myself, so just like and subscribe and get ready for the next one. I'm here now on my Pi server. I'm really happy because it took me a lot of attempts just to get this right. I put it on flat world because if you put it on default or like especially amplified, it will lag out. So I can show you, yes, I am on 1.9 combat update. I'm still getting used to it. It's got a lot of new things and I'm just really happy.